Hey DIYers and everybody out there who's itching to take a vacation. I personally love Hawaii, but the only trip I've taken lately is to IKEA. And while I was there, I managed to pick up a few things to decorate my patio so I can entertain this summer. And with the help of my Cricut Explorer Air 2, I'm going to create a space that brings the feel of Hawaii right to my backyard. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's upstyle my patio. First, I open my Cricut design space, and I have a project saved with hibiscus flowers in different sizes. So next I'll press Make It, then Continue. I also have felt wool bonded saved as one of my favorites. So I'll click that, load the mat, and now I'm ready to cut. In 1923, Hawaii made hibiscus its official flower. In Europe in the 1600s, they were known as stove plants because though they could not survive cold weather, they could survive near a stove during the winter. E6000 Fabrifuge is washable and dry cleanable and a terrific way to apply these felt flowers and leaves to a pillowcase or a tapestry. And if you need to, just add a book on top while it dries to make sure that each piece dries perfectly flat. On average, there are 9.5 million visitors to the Hawaiian Islands each year. A few more plants and another Mai Tai, and I may just skip my vacation this year. Cutting the permanent premium vinyl is the easiest on a Cricut. You want to just peel off the excess once it's cut, weed out the small pieces, and next you'll want to apply the transfer tape . And after that, you want to transfer your vinyl cutout to your surface. It's that easy. I'm going to leave a link to Cricut and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor. And I will see you next week. Bye.